We in the new year. We in the new year. We in the new year. Let me quit. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Casarah B. If you are new, welcome sis. Welcome to the CB Baddies gang. If you are new, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Every time I drop some heat, you are notified. You know, we're gonna get into this look in just a little bit, but I got a gift for y'all. I got a New Year's present for y'all to enjoy and share with other people. You know, maybe just yourself. I don't care. As y'all all been knowing, I've been sponsored by Teami, and they have given me a bigger discount for you guys to use, okay? They say, sis, we want your peoples, your baddies to join the team, this cleansing journey, okay? We want to cleanse all the negativity in 2020. We want to leave all that behind. Flush it out, get it out, run it out. Just let it be gone, okay, sis? Here, Teami has sponsored me with a tumbler, and they also gave me the skinny tea right here. This is a teaspoon. You put it into your tumbler, you boil some hot water, and you put the water in here, and the leaves will expand. This here is the cleansing tea. Basically, you use this every other night. You do not use this every day. You drink this every day, but you don't use this every day. Because, sis, when I tell you, you're going to be looking like Tales from the Crypt by the stomach. Okay? We don't want that. We don't want to cleanse you out too much like that and dry you out. He gave me this tumbler. And inside the tumbler, it comes with a filter. So that you're not drinking the leaves. You know what I'm saying? You're not drinking the leaves, all right? Or the tea bag or something like that. And you just basically pour the leaves in there, put the hot water in there, let it cool off, leave the tumbler lid open, because if you don't, like what happened to me, okay? What happened to me, I left the lid on and poof! Yeah, that's what happened. So right now, what I am giving you 50% off. Okay, you're gonna get 50% off on this product. You gotta spend about $100 in order to get the 50% off. Pretty much, it's the tumbler, it's the tea, and maybe one other thing, and basically you're paying $50. 50% off. Use the code Casarah50. I'll put it right here on the screen. Casarah50. Get 50% off on the products. Okay, y'all. I don't know what happened to my footage that I was filming on this particular part on how to accomplish the eyeshadow, the look itself. But I had loaded all the clips onto my laptop, and I'm like, I'm missing a whole clip of me doing my eyes. And I don't know what happened. I think what happened was I just forgot to press the record button. And I just filmed. And then when I noticed that my camera, I thought, stopped filming, I hit the record button and proceeded on. But anyways, oh my God. I'm so ghetto. This is so ghetto. I have my eyes primed, my brows done. This is a whole different day. I had to come back and film this part because this eye part is lit. Pretty much so far what I went into was only 2 palettes. I only used 2 palettes. Beats by Deb, and then the 24A artist palette by Sweetie. So I used Ride or Sky, and I used Major Inspo. So there's this blue and this purple shade right here. So I'm using both of those. So what I pretty much put on my lids, I used LA Girl Pro Concealer and Cool Tan. That's to clean up underneath my brows, and then use the rest of the concealer as a base on my eyeshadow. And then I cleaned the tops of my brows up with my Fenty in the shade 420. And then for the brows itself, I used the Tarte Big Ego in black brown. That's what I used. Sitting up here. missing clips. I don't know why you come down here messing with these people. Now I'm gonna take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. I'm gonna go into security. Complicated order. And I'm just gonna buff that into the top part of the shade. Go back into that blue and purple shade because I kind of lost it in the end here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my buffer brush and I'm gonna tap it into my concealer. And I'm basically just gonna put it on my lid. So when I lay down the shimmery shades, it will stick. Okay, so I also forgot that I had went into the Warriors 3 palette by Juvia's Place, and I used the shade Kongo. It's this pretty, I can't believe that broke, but it's this pretty blue shade right here. Secret Set and Private Oasis. I mixed those all together to make this pretty blue shade. I'm just gonna take a flat fluffy brush or a dome brush, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna just tap into this blue here. Got that all packed onto my lips. So I'm gonna use my NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm basically just gonna line the base of my lid. I'm not gonna do a wing liner at all. Alright, so now that I got the wing liner on, I'm basically going to go back into the Beats by Deb palette, and I'm going to tap into Black Owned, and I'm going to set the eyeliner so that the shimmer shades does not transfer onto the eyeliner. Take my Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Now I got these lashes from TJ Maxx. They're for $3.99. It's Care Beauty, called Fabulashes. This is in the style A4. Very fluffy, very cute lashes. They sell a whole bunch of them there. I just couldn't believe it. So I'm gonna pop those bad boys on. Going to my foundation using Fenty 420. e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Neutral. I'm going into my NYX corrector concealer palette in the shade Deep, and I'm going to take the darkest shade and I am going to contour with it. I'm going into my Fenty powder, setting powder, in the shade Honey. I'm gonna go into my CoverGirl Clean in the shade Tawny, and I'm pretty much just gonna set my whole face with this. And as I'm setting my face, I'm gonna brush away the setting powder that's on my face. Go into my black Radiance palette and I am going to set the contour, give myself a little bit more dimension. I'm using my Sonia Kashuk brush. You can get these at Target. I'm going into my Morphe highlighter in the shade Mirage. I'm gonna go back into the 24 Artist Pass palette and we are going to blow out underneath the eye. I'm going to tap back into Rider Sky. Pencil in the shade Cork. A Nabi matte liquid lipstick. Take my e.l.f. lip plumping lip gloss in pink Cosmo. We're done, girl. We're gonna do this head. Okay, I'll be right back. Here is the final slay. Okay, honey. So I hope you guys appreciated this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you do come back and watch more videos of me. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave comments down below if you guys want to suggest any looks. I'll try my hardest to try to accomplish it, to master it, whatever the case may be. Okay, so this is it, honey. I think this is cute. I think this is so pretty. Thank you for watching. Bye.